Asset accounting has been started. So let's go to that asset accounting chapter of asset accounting. Let's see a document.
And Yogesh not joined the last two classes actually.
I know, I know. I've sent the documents.
Okay.
Where are the documents? APP asset. Okay. Okay. Asset accounting. So we have complete. We have completed till now to
10th points.
yeah, 10 point. And then till year we completed. Now we have to create the GL accounts. That is what our target
Yes,
was
sir.
all about. Let's create the GL accounts. GL account, standard GL accounts, if you know, should be a GL account for the plant. Recording started right here. So plant. 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 FS00. First, you decide that whether we create what's my company code?
AL99.
AL99. Huh? Okay.
Yes, sir.
AL99. AL99. So plant has been created. I have a look on this plant. Once how we have created this plant. Plant has been created. This is what we have to create first. This GL accounts. Okay. Depreciation already created in earlier. Accumulated. Now, see, in while creating the asset classes, I have taken only one as an example of plant. If you are taking 2, 3 examples, then all 3 GL account has to be created: plant, furniture, fixture, goodwill, or anything, machinery, etc. Those things you can take it, but we have created one, so I'm creating only one as a fixed asset point. Accumulated depreciation account. Accumulated depreciation, whatever you created for a plant, it's for that accumulated depreciation creating has to be created under liability. Let's go with that liability point of view. Understanding liability, go here. These are standards: 1, 200, 200.
Okay.
These are standard which has to be created. 200, 200. Liability, balance sheet, accumulated depreciation for plant. Why we are creating for plant? Because reason is we have selected only plant now as of now. If there is a land, economic depreciation of land. Land, there is no depreciation. For a plant, furniture, fixtures, goodwill, etc. For that. Okay. Retention account. Retention account is there or not? Let's check it. It is there. Retention account for assets is there. Go for assets. Line item. Line item. Then asset 018. As you know this. Asset and then 067. Okay, fine. All right. Now let's create the depreciation account. Ordinary depreciation account has to be created. Ordinary depreciation has to create under expense. Let's create that, and 400, 600. 400, 600 is my depreciation account. Ordinary depreciation. Expenses. Expenses, profit and loss. Depreciation account. Depreciation account. Control data. Line item 001. 001. Then goes for loss on sale of asset is an expense. Loss is a expense. So you just copy this 601. Loss on sale of asset. So you just go for it. Yeah. Loss on sale of asset, loss on sale of asset. Rest of them is same. Loss on sale of loss on scrap asset, loss on scrap. Again, copy 602, loss on scrap. Scrap means retirement. Loss on scrap. Profit on sale of asset, income, income. 300, 200, I can copy this. Profit on sale of asset, 300, 300. Profit on sale of asset. Sale of asset. Sale of asset. Only this account has to be careful while creating, because field status group will change accordingly. So only this has to be checked, double checked while creating. Sale of asset comes under income. 300, 400 double take. Sale of asset. This is the standard. First page is done. Second page strict. Second page over here it is saying put 018 asset K. It is saying 018. Then go to the third G052. G052 is what is that? Account for fixed asset retirement. It's a standard. That's it. So all the GL accounts have been created now. And the standpoint here is if there are many more than one fixed assets, then you need to create these two account twice. The rest all will be Siemens one, only once you have to create it. Accumulated depreciation for plant I created. If there is any furniture or fixtures, then create accumulated depreciation for furniture. Then accumulated depreciation for machinery, etc. You have to create twice. Rest all only once you are creating. Let's go. This will be a trump card. This account will be A090 is a transaction code. A090 transaction code where all the things will be matched here. Have a look on this, what I'm saying. A090, just go for it, slash n A090. No, A090, A090, and A090. Okay, chart of depreciation, AL99 is my company code. So AL99 is a chart of account. So why chart of account is coming? Because of the GL account has to come into the picture. Select the full row account determination. See now, chart of depreciation came first thing. Now when I click on account determination, go for is A9000, I think. A9000. A9000 is a plant. Select full row. Double click on balance sheet account. See, automatically came this chart of depreciation, chart of account determination, and depreciation area. You know that depreciation area is only the book depreciation has to come into the picture. Now, for example, balance sheet account for acquisition, balance sheet account, this is for a plant. So you need to put the plant account. Okay, remember when you're doing for a furniture, again you have to go back, do your account determination, whatever the furniture is there, get that. Now it is only one is there. Now this will be remain standard now. Loss on sale of asset, loss of sale of asset, loss of sale of asset, loss on sale of asset. Gain means gain from asset sale, profit on sale of asset, profit on sale of asset, GL accounts, profit on sale of asset. Then asset sale. So before that, just check it here. If there's anything confusion happens, sale of asset is the second one. Sale of asset is the second one. Income point of view, let's go for sale of asset sale. Asset sale. asset sale of asset, sale of asset, and here scrap, loss on scrap, loss on scrap. This will remain same every time when you create it. You have to put the standard scrap, loss on scrap. Okay, this will remain same as such. You can see here scrap, sale of asset, profit and sale of asset, loss from sale of asset, and the plant, because plant is here. Plant is there because of the plant. If there is a furniture, then only this will change. This all remains same. Again, it will come the same thing. So try to save it. Try to save it. Then go for a depreciation account. Accumulated depreciation account. We have created the accumulated depreciation account for plant. Account depreciation for plant. Either plant and expense ordinary depreciation. Ordinary depreciation. It's a normal depreciation. So you need to be very careful here. Here only one depreciation. This will be a common. This will change automatically. Document depreciation. If you have got other than this plant, then respect to GL account will change. It will go according to that and save it. This will be the trump card. You're doing only once because I have taken only one as an example. If you are taking 2-3 times, then you have to do 2-3 times this. Let's go for it. Specify document type for posting OBA7 document types. Let's go document as / and OBA7 OBA7. Go to position. It's a document type. While posting, what are the document type has to come for a depreciation. AF is a standard depreciation posting. Double click on that. Double click on the 05 is there automatically 05. So go for number ranges AL99. AL99, click on the 10 intervals, 05, create for a 05. What is the number? 799 is the last number. So go to 05, 2022, 800, 899 and save it. Intervals overlaps. 800, where is that? 899, why it is overlapping here? It is there. 900, 900, 900. Yes. Changes were saved. Specify intervals and posting. These are standards one just to see and come out. Specify intervals and posting rules. OAYR just to check it whether it's a monthly depreciation or quarterly or whatever. OAYR just to see that. Company code AN99. AL99 is select full row, double click on posting rules. It is just to check whether it's a monthly posting or not. Depreciation calculator, they can calculate depreciation by monthly, quarterly, semi-annually, annual posting. So you can do, but monthly always depreciation. What we do in the companies, it is monthly posting. What we do, I've seen depreciation monthly as well as quarterly. I've seen this in my lifetime. It will be monthly posting. That is what it says. So monthly posting has to be there. Then specify rounding off. If it is the nearest price 0.25 above, it should be rounded off to the nearest value. OAYO /n OAYO is the transaction code. Go to this company code AL99. AL99, select full row, double click on rounding specification or automatically calculate depreciation, arithmetic rounding. Automatic calculate depreciation has to be calculated automatically when we run it. So that is given. Automatic calculate depreciation and arithmetic rounding. Our rounding is 0.5 above. Okay, make it for 1 rupee. Specify and define screen layout for asset master data. These two are very, very important to see that. Define screen layout for asset master data. screen layout. So let's go for this SPRO. SPRO software for IMG, financial accounting, new. Right. Asset accounting, master data, screen layouts, define screen layout for asset master data, define screen layout for asset depreciation area, define screen layout for asset master data, define screen layout for asset master data. Layout, you might be knowing your screen layout while creating the asset class. I might have created the layouts A900 plant A900. I have already created. Select full row, logical field groups, double click on logical field group. All these three things has to be done now. Select first general information full row, double click on field group rules. Description has to be required entry, main number, sub number, copy should be selected. This is what is there. If you can see here, just to show you. Say description required entry, main number, sub number, copy. It is already default. It is there. You don't have to do anything. As save it, go back F3, one step back, select two, double click on field group rules, capitalization date, what they have asked, posting information. Capitalization date should be required, main number, sub number, copy should be there. Capitalization date is required, main number, sub number, copy should be. Capitalization date is which date it has been started using. And third one is time dependent. Third one, field group rules, cost center, make it as optional entry. That is what it says here. Or business area, it's a required entry. You can make it as a required entry. It is already there. But ensure if at all, if we have done cost controlling chapters initially, then you can make cost center also as a required entry if you want. Otherwise, you can leave it in the company. They make cost center as a mandatory field. But here we are not doing mandatory. Reason behind this, we haven't started controlling chapters. If you have done the controlling chapters, because cost center comes in controlling chapters, that is the reason we will not be able to check it as a required entry, but business area we can put it as a required entry. Repeat for all your asset screen layout. If there are anything apart from this plant, you have got anything else, you have to repeat this process 2-3 times for that assets as well. So let's go with that. One is over. The second one is a defined screen layout for asset depreciation areas. 2000, select default 2000, select default 2000 and double click on field group rules. And here the given as clear cut, go according to that. Depreciation key should be required, ordinary start date should be required, depreciation and ordinary start date. Depreciation keys and start date should be required, main number, sub number, copy, everything is checked. Class also I can check it out. That's it. This is what I wanted to teach it for today. Tomorrow we will be continuing with 17th point till we complete the asset. We will be able to create the asset. It's a big chapter which I already told, 27 points which has to be completed to create a asset. Now tomorrow's class will be identifying which method you want to follow the depreciation. As it a straight line method or a depreciation reducing balance method. Always company follows straight line depreciation method. So that will be doing. So that configuration which has to be done. After that, I can create the asset. Asset will be created. asset will, and after that end user, I can start with the end user. So another 1 day or 2 days, which may require for me to do this asset, create the asset master, then go for end user to post the depreciation and check the answer whether it's coming or not. This is all about the funda of this irritating chapter. Just go through 2-3 times, practice it, and understand that is A9000 why we took it, A7000 is in my notes why we took it. Understand that, and then it will be easy. Please write it down also when in the notes. When you are writing it, please keep a book in front of it, because the while creating asset class is very important, because screen layout, account determination, screen layout, and asset class number what we have taken, that will take you to the rest of the chapter to continue.
Okay, sir.
Okay. After that, so another five classes required now. Just for information, next
Okay.
week we can complete it. Okay. All right. Next week we should be able to complete this course. Then,
Sure, sir.
right? Okay.
Sir,
Yeah.
sir,
Yes. Hello.
sir, we have not received BRS link, sir. Bank
Yes.
reconciliation statement.
I will do that. If you wanted, I'll do that also. We have not done that.
Yeah.
Okay, we are not done.
No, sir. No, we have not received the
Notes.
video
Okay,
recording
video.
link.
Okay,
Video
okay.
link.
I'll check it. I'll check it. Which day we have done that? I'll check it, and I will do it. I'll send it to you. No issues.
Sir, one more, sir. One more.
Yeah.
Sir, sir, I have done MM.
Okay.
Sir, in MM, we have done their order wise, my vendor master and my material and enterprise structure, everything we have done order wise. But in FICO, how, sir? We sk- we jumped it another topics now. How we were, is it coming any
What is that? I didn't get you what you're saying. Where we jump?
in not jumped that we just we moved another topic. We just we 13th chapter we didn't did otherwise we didn't did.
Okay, okay. No.
So
First 4 chapters, that is up to creation of customer, we need to go in order. After that, you can do any chapter. It is like you, when you are building a house, what you will do, your foundation you are building, correct? Once your foundation is over, you can construct the front wall or a back wall, any wall. First, it is not that the first wall only I should build, but the foundation is the first 4 chapters. Enterprise structure, GL creation, vendor creation, and customer creation. That is more than enough. And then any chapter you can do it. Okay, that's not a problem.
okay. Yes.
All right. Only for this BRS, I will see that. Otherwise, if it is not able to trace it, where is it? I will send you. No issues. I'll do that. I'll send it from other classes or whatever. If it is there immediately, no issues. I'll send it. BRS. Anything else? Anything else? So tomorrow we'll try to complete this asset up to here at least, or end user also, if you know, we will try to complete. Okay. All right.
Okay,
Perfect.
okay, sir.
Perfect. Thank you.
Yes, sir.
See you then. Bye bye tomorrow.
Bye, sir.
Bye.